Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench with a bunch of old oil stones. And I'm reflecting back on my early days of woodworking and wondering, how did we do it? Well, I'll give you a key, a clue. It's all we had. We had one form of oil stone or water stone or another. We didn't have any diamond plates back then. The Japanese methods had not reached popularity here on the US continent. What you are seeing me playing right now is a piece of basswood with my old wooden jack plane and a Stanley block plane blade that I got in the mail a week or two ago, which I initialized and then sharpened on these stones. But your cutting edge will only be as sharp as the last stone it was on. So here's the next clue as to how we did it. We only sharpened to the task at hand. If I was jack planing something that didn't have to be perfect, I was not going to sharpen to some crazy 10,000, 16,000 grit. I was going to sharpen, more than likely, to a Norton water stone, to a Norton oil stone, either the coarse face or the fine face. Warm weather and humidity is back. Now, when I had to get a finer finish, we would go to a finer stone. So we would go to this stone. This is not my original stone, but we would go to the finest stone we have. And we would have a lubricant. Usually it was oil. But this one, the instructions in the box say do not use oil on it. You go heel, toe. Now, Walter, the stone is so small. You went across it, heel, toe, and then you did the figure eight. Just like an ice skater, you did figure eights. Or you did circles until you started to feel a burr in the back. Once you got that burr, you flipped it over, you laid it flat on the stone, regardless if the stone was flat. And all we did was with a sweeping motion and a lift, we pulled the burr off. That's it. That, my friends, was as far as we would go, unless we needed something finer. We needed something finer, we get out the leather strop, okay? Your leather strop is what will get you that mirror finish on the edge. And once your front edge on the bevel is mirror, you laid it down flat and you pulled the back face while lifting up ever so slightly. And then you had a mirror finish on the back. That's all we did. It was woodworking. It was carpentry. It was cabinet making. It was furniture making. It was woodworking. It wasn't rocket science. But we are, in today's world, we are spoiled rotten with all the technology and tools. So let me know. Did you learn how to sharpen on oil stones, or were you lucky enough to learn on more modern methods? Remember, this is a jack plane. I'm not taking fine little shavings off. Looking forward to reading your comments. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments section. In the meantime, head out to your shop and go make some shavings. But not before you like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.